Tesla Model 3, really bad hit and run here. Unfortunate situation for this customer here. Customer has options though. They don't have to bring it to a body shop if they don't want to. They can keep the original paint and parts intact. A lot of people just assume, hey, I need to go to the body shop. They're going to replace my fender, they're going to replace my bumper. Not the case though. This customer did his research and found us online, found us on YouTube in particular, and decided to have us repair the metal on this front fender and preserve the original paint finish. That was the biggest thing for them. We actually were able to sculpt the plastic bumper as well for them, just like we did the metal on the fender, and we brought this back to where the customer was super happy at the end. Luckily, the customer had a touch-up paint kit from Tesla, and they had me just touch up those bare areas that were remaining from the initial impact. Now, touch-up paint is never a perfect thing, but it definitely is good enough to take your eye away from the obvious, and that's what we're aiming for with this repair here. Super happy customer in the end on this one. We do a lot of Tesla repairs like this, so if you're a customer that wants to go this route, definitely give us a call. Now, if you want to learn how to do advanced paintless net repairs like these, I'll be teaching this at the PDR College Advanced Skills Seminar 2025. You can also learn this at paintlessnetrepairtrainingvideos.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.